Hello and welcome to English Unleashed. I'm Chihan and I'm here to help you speak English with more confidence and more joy. In today's episode, we will talk about something very useful, small talk. Do you want to start conversations in English? Do you feel nervous or shy? Don't worry, we will learn it step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. What is small talk? Small talk is short, friendly conversation. It is what we say when we meet someone new or when we talk to people around us. We don't talk about serious topics. We just smile, ask simple questions, and listen. It's a great way to make new friends and connect with others. Say this sentence after me. Small talk makes English fun and friendly. Now you repeat. Part 2. Starting a conversation. Here are a few easy ways to start a conversation. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. How's your day going? Did you have a good weekend? Beautiful weather today, isn't it? You can use these anytime, at school, at work, or even online. The most important thing is to try. Don't worry about mistakes. Part 3. Answering common questions. Let's practice answering small talk questions. How are you? You can say, I'm fine, thanks. And you? Or I'm doing well today. What do you do? I'm a student. I work in an office. I'm learning English. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. Repeat. I'm from Turkey. Well done. Part 4. Practice with Chihan. Let's try a short conversation together. I'll say a line. You repeat. Hi. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. Nice. What do you do? I'm learning English. That's great. Keep going. Very good. This is what real small talk sounds like. It's not difficult. You can do it. Part 5. More useful phrases. Let's learn a few more useful phrases. Repeat after me. That sounds interesting. Really? That's cool. I see. Me too. Have a nice day. See you later. Take care. These little expressions help you sound friendly and natural. Use them often. Ending. Remember, small talk is simple but powerful. It helps you feel more comfortable with English. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Speak a little every day. Repeat what you hear. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Just start. Thanks for listening to English Unleashed. I'm Jihan, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep speaking English every single day. Goodbye for now.